Learn about Islam with Muskan and Sarah.
Muskan and Sarah. Are you guys enjoying the picnic?
Yes, Daddy. This place is so beautiful.
Sarah, you look confused. What are you thinking, darling?
You are right, Mommy. I was thinking about what my friend told.
What did your friend tell?
My friend Mary is a Christian. She said that we Muslims worship a different God called Allah. She said that they worship Jesus, peace be upon him. I am confused.
Inshallah, I will try to clear your confusion. Some non-Muslims incorrectly believe that Muslims worship a different God than Jews and Christians. This might be because we Muslims refer God as Allah. But in fact we Muslims worship the same God of Noah, Abraham, Moses and Jesus, peace be upon them all. Allah in Arabic means one true God, who is the only one worthy of worship. Allah does not have any rivals, equals, or partners. Allah is not a Muslim God or an Arab God, but it is an Arabic name for God. Allah is the God of all mankind and everything.
Mashallah, Mommy. That is so true. And Sarah, moreover, Allah has an identical name in Judaism, Christianity and Islam. Allah is referred to as Eloah in Christianity and Elohim in Judaism. Both of them are translated to Allah in Arabic. We Muslims believe in one true God, Allah. And we do not associate any partners to Allah. And we also do not believe that Allah is a part of Trinity and has a son. We submit to one true God, the most merciful, Allah.
So Sarah and Muskan, now did you guys understand?
Yes, Mommy. Now we understand that everyone has only one true God, Allah.
Mashallah, my darlings. Now say Bismillah and enjoy your food.
Bismillah. Please subscribe to Quran and Hadith for Kids. For more videos, hit the bell icon now.